Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Kali Liunx Purple 2024.2 on VMWare Workstation. Go to Kali official website, that is kali.org. Click on download, scroll down, see this is just Kali Liunx, but go to Kali Purple, see. Click on download. Before that, open this Kali Purple document in the new tab. See here, it is simply SOC in the box solution. Okay, so SOC means Security Operations Center. You can go through it, what is Kali Purple, and see we have the contains more than 100 like Acme, CyberSafe, Elasticsearch, SIM, GVM, the Hive, Malcolm, Circata, IDS, Geek IDS, and any more. Okay, click on Kali Purple ISO. See, now we got the same page. Okay, so click on this download button. If you want download ISO, if you want download through via torrent, you have to click on this one. Okay, so I'm going with just click on this download button. See, download has been started. Go to downloads. See, the size is 3.9 gigabytes. I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. See, I have the two versions, VMware Workstation Pro and VMware Workstation Player. VMware Workstation Player is free to use for non-commercial purpose. I am going to keep the link for how to download and install VMware Workstation on Windows. Okay, but the installation of Kali Liunx Purple 2024.2 is the same. Okay, let me maximize this one. Click on create a new virtual machine, then next, and in the VMware Workstation Player also we have the same options. Click on VMware Workstation Player, maximize it, click on create a new virtual machine. Here also we have the same option. See, create a new virtual machine. Even if you click on it, we will get the same console. Then we have to select the ISO and remaining steps are common. Okay, let me cancel it, close it, create a new virtual machine. Then select the ISO. Go to downloads where you have the Kali Purple 2024. See, we have the Kali Liunx 2024.2 installer Purple AMD. Select it and open. Now click on next. Select the Liunx and select the Ubuntu or Liunx 64-bit. Okay, select Ubuntu 64-bit. Then click on next. Here provide the name. So Kali P means Purple 2024 to VM. This is the name for the Kali Liunx virtual machine. Next, we have to select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. So browse, select the location where you have the NO space. So I have the space in this directory. So I'm going to create new directory for this machine, this virtual machine. Then click on next. Here provide the hard disk size. I'm giving 100 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, by default it has selected as memory as 4 gigabytes. If you want to increase any one of these properties, click on customize hardware. If you want to increase memory, you can increase. If you want to decrease, use the pointer to down. Okay, I'm okay with the 4 gigabytes. Number of processors 2. I'm okay with all the settings. I'm okay with all the settings. If you want to enable virtualization, you have to select this one. Okay, then click on close. Then click on finish. Now click on power on this virtual machine to start the installation of Kali Liunx Purple 2024.2 on VMware. Click on it. Use the up and down arrows. Then select the graphical install and hit enter. Then select the language English and click on continue. Region, select your location. Click on next. Select the keyboard. Click on next. See, by default it has selected Kali as the host name, but if you want to give anything, then give the host name. Then click on continue. If you want to add this machine to existing domain or create domain, you have to provide domain name. I want to keep it as blank and click on continue. Then we are going to set up the user. So I'm giving username as R2 schools. Then click on continue. See, this is the username, but previous one is the user full name. Okay, for me both are same. Click on continue, continue, then provide the password for this user, then click on continue, select the clock. I'm okay with Eastern. Click on continue. Then partition disks, I'm going with guided use entire disk. Okay, then click on next, that means continue. Select this finish partitioning and write changes to disk and click on continue. Select yes and click on continue. Now we have to select the, see, at the moment only core of the system is installed. The default sections below will install Kali Linux with its standard desktop environment and the default tools. Okay, so select them. The default one is, this is the XFCE. So I'm going to use Xeno, then click on next. Select the display manager, GDM3 or Light DM. Okay, I'm going with the GDM3 only, then click on continue. See, now it is asking us to install the grub bootloader. If you want to install, you have to select yes. So select yes and click on continue. Select device for grub bootloader and click on continue. See, installation is complete, and see the here, make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into the new system rather than the restarting the installation. Okay, so right click on this virtual machine, settings, then select CDR DVD, then uncheck the checkbox and click on OK. Then click on continue to reboot the Kali Linux virtual machine. Click on username and provide the password. Click on maximize. Now click on apps and search for terminal. Open terminal and click on applications. See, here we have the different applications. Now verify the version of this virtual machine. more/etc os-release. Hit enter. See, we have installed Kali Linux 2024, but it is not showing the whether it is popular normal one. Okay, if you want to verify the IP of this machine, just give ifconfig. See, this is the IP of this Kali Linux Purple 2024.2 virtual machine. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Kali Linux Purple 2024.2 on VMWare Workstation. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.